If you're managing your Airbnb yourself, this video might make you uncomfortable, but it could save you thousands. Most Airbnb hosts didn't sign up to reply messages at midnight, chase cleaners, or deal with last minute guest dramas. Yet, that's what hosting turns into when there are no systems. I'm Angela, an Airbnb co host and remote property manager. I help hosts run profitable Airbnbs without being involved daily. Here is the truth: Airbnb success is not about being present, it's about having the right co hosting systems in place. Remote and hands off hosting works when you stop doing everything and start managing outcomes instead. Airbnb co hosting for hands off hosts means three things: guest communication is handled professionally, every message, every time. Pricing and availability are optimized daily, not guessed. Cleaners, maintenance, and check ins follow a system, not memory. You don't need to live near the property, you don't need to micromanage, you need visibility and control. Most hosts fail at hands off hosting because they rely on WhatsApp instead of systems. They hire helpers instead of co hosts. They have no reporting or accountability. They only react when there is a problem. That's not hands off, that's risky. A good Airbnb co host protects your reviews, protects your revenue, protects your time, and keeps you informed without overwhelming you. That's how hosts earn their Airbnb income while living their actual lives. Who this is for? This is for busy professionals, diaspora property owners, investors with multiple units, and anyone tired of Airbnb stress. If you want Airbnb income without burnout, download my hands-off checklist below and subscribe for practical Airbnb co-hosting systems that actually work.